Hello traders, welcome to today's video. It is Bank Holiday Monday, the 28th of August. I hope you've had a fantastic weekend and I hope you enjoy your day today if it is a bank holiday, or if it's not, then still have a great day. Today we will be going over, as always, the Bitcoin price action. I'm not going to do the high time frame stuff right now because look, I've gone over it over and over again. Let's just focus on the low time frames and then maybe I can put it back into something with a bit more perspective later on. But yeah, this is my plan at the moment. Let's just get straight into my plan. Is Bitcoin's become a stable coin again? Okay, the whole week range from last week, incredibly flat. Okay, we came down and we took out those local highs and those local lows, which is what we were looking at. Sorry, this was on the 4 hour. Okay, so we took out some highs and lows over here. And now we just find ourselves back at the POC today. So for myself, I think on the beginning of the week, you'd expect to see some kind of move to take liquidity, get at that Monday range so that we can start to trade that later on in the week. For me, it really is a case of, okay, look, you've got highs here, you've got lows here. These ones maybe for a Monday a little bit tough to go for straight away. But if we are to say, let's see a move up into here, we've got confluence, okay, taking out liquidity. We've got that untapped daily level, and also it comes into our local golden pocket over here. So that would set me up for a short position around about that 26,420 area. And basically with these internal ones, you'd just be looking to trade that back into the point of control. I don't see that there's any chance that this point of control is going to move at any time soon. So if there is any expansion away from it, so let's say you come up here, then a move back into the POC for a take profit is absolutely what you'd have to be going for. If this little down move that we've seen so far this morning continues, then once again, I would be looking for a long, basically equal lows down here, coming in towards, well, taking out those lows, potentially coming down in towards this wick and what we have as a reference from last week. And then once again, looking for a long position back into the POC, which is also around our weekly open. If there is to be any further expansion, the main trade for myself will be looking at this low down here. Okay, so it really is just highs and lows. If we don't come down there, if we just continue higher, then a short from up here would be a play, but I think at that stage you'd be looking at this as significant strength, and we would then be aiming higher towards about $28,000. So that's this local range. It could go either way. It's very flat. It's at the point of control. You've just got to be aware to take a trade when that move happens. So I guess a slight downward bias. I think taking out this low is the most, that's the trade that I really want. But overall, yeah, you just got to be prepared for any scenario. So that is Bitcoin. If we do just zoom out, let's just do the higher time frames. One interesting thing that we've had so far, ignore those Mondays. This Monday isn't done. That was from a while back. If we go to our monthly levels, which are here, August. Okay, then we can see that our POC has shifted down. So the point of control for August, and basically the point of control for this larger range, was up until Friday at that 29,400 area. And we were actually consolidating below the value area low of this range. So you can see over here how we had this just value area low that was basically price unable to break back inside value area. Now, since we've had this POC shift down, that is now the monthly POC, it is now this range POC, and it is the previous week POC. So everything lining up together, and now our value area low is all the way down here with our value area high up at our monthly open. So often when that happens, okay, when you see that POC shift, it is an opportunity for some kind of expansion. Whether that is a move up to, let me just bring this back on again, apologies. Whether that is a move up towards that monthly open value area high, or a move down towards, I keep doing that, towards the low, the value area low. So something to be aware of, and yeah, that's basically it. In terms of the higher time frames, we do have that basically big year POC, the one from our uptrend earlier on, that does take us down to around about 23k. So that is if things do start to drop significantly. And then if we are looking at confluence above, then it is just what I said, that monthly open, the value area high, and that also lining up around about the golden pocket from however you draw this, wherever you decide to draw that wick. Because this wick is so different, I'd actually be inclined to pull this to the one where it is fairly balanced, where you've got all exchanges basically putting in a similar low rather than this just big move down. So that 29,300, 29,400, if this is to suddenly come back up, would for me be the main area of resistance that I would be looking at. That's probably it for Bitcoin. Just a reminder for anyone, please do hit the like button, hit subscribe if you've not done so already. Make sure you do all of those things. But also go check out tauruscrypto.com. We do have the new website that is live now, so you can go and have a look at that. It's nice and clean. And if you're interested in joining the crew or joining the new elite section, then you can join the crew over here. That will take you over to WAP. And then you have the option to join the crew either with card payment or with crypto payment over here. If you have any questions about anything, please do not hesitate to contact us on Discord. Over on Discord looks a little bit like this, where we do all of our updates for, well, everything that's going on. And you can DM me over there if you would like any further information. One other thing I guess that is kind of useful to go over today, the similarities between the NASDAQ in 2008 with that double top and Bitcoin in 2021 with that double top, this consolidation period that we're currently going through now. Are we about to see the start of a new bull run? Who knows? It will be interesting. One of those narratives that could become quite exciting over the next year or so. A lot of money sidelined right now, expecting an easy buy before the next halving. Are we just going to leave them all behind, or are we looking to continue this downtrend for a little bit longer? We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, enough of this video. Have a great day again, and I'll see you all very soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.